So now that we're into July, if you can believe that, you can pretty much count on at least a few picnic and potluck invitations over the next few months, right? You might even be the one doing the inviting. Either way, we've got a live class coming up next weekend that'll be a big help in that department, one that I'm really excited to tell you about. It's called Picnics and Potlucks, Homemade to Go, and it features 4 fabulous recipes that'll establish once and for all that you've got some serious cooking chops. You serve these recipes at the same meal, pick and choose, or mix and match to your heart's content, and you're the boss. For starters, we've got ham salad deviled eggs. Now, I know you already make great deviled eggs, but there's something extra special about this recipe, so I wanted to share it with you, along with all my tips for making trouble-free deviled eggs every time. And besides, it'll be fun to compare notes on a recipe that everybody loves. Next up, our homemade pinwheel sandwiches. Now, we've all seen these at 100 potlucks, and 90 of those times they probably came from the local supermarket. But when you make them yourself from scratch with fresh ingredients, they've got an irresistible homemade vibe that people just can't resist. We'll be doing a broccoli, carrot, and bacon salad that'll give potato salad a run for its money at any table. And we'll finish on a sweet note with these herb mascarpone sandwich cookies, sort of a hip Oreo from my book, The Harvest Baker. If you grow some herbs, or even if you don't, these are a great way to show them off. Now, we do a prize drawing at the end of every class, and this week we're giving away something extra special, an insulated picnic basket that you can take to all your picnics and potlucks. So good luck with that. The sign-up information is below. And don't forget, if you can't join us live, you can always join us later because you get lifetime access to the recipes and the replays. We'll see you in class.